Most people think getting HBO Max free with Spectrum is automatic. They hear the word included, download the app, and expect everything to work instantly. But here's the problem. In 2026, streaming bundles are incredibly confusing because cable providers and streaming platforms constantly change promotions, billing systems, and activation rules. And honestly, that confusion causes thousands of users to accidentally pay for subscriptions they thought were already included. Here's the truth no one tells you. The hardest part is usually not activating HBO Max. It's figuring out whether your Spectrum package actually qualifies for the offer in the first place. In this video, I'll show you how HBO Max works with Spectrum in 2026, how to activate it correctly, the biggest mistakes people make during setup, and the hidden billing issue that causes most subscription confusion. And later, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid duplicate HBO Max charges completely. So let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the big question clearly. Can you get HBO Max free with Spectrum in 2026? Potentially yes, depending on your Spectrum package or promotional offer. But here's where most people fail immediately. Not every Spectrum customer automatically receives HBO Max included for free. That distinction matters enormously. Some plans may include Max Access, Premium Channel Bundles, or limited time promotions. Others may not include anything at all. Now let's make this practical. Imagine Jake upgrades his Spectrum TV package after seeing an ad mentioning HBO content. He assumes HBO Max automatically works instantly. So he downloads the app and tries logging in using Spectrum credentials. Nothing happens. Why? Because he never confirmed whether his exact plan actually included Max streaming access. This happens constantly. Now here's where things get interesting. Most technical activation failures are actually subscription eligibility problems. That's the hidden reality many users completely miss. So before downloading anything, log into your Spectrum account and check your package details, premium channel access, and streaming benefits carefully. That one step prevents huge amounts of frustration. Now let's move to the activation process itself. If your Spectrum package includes Max Access, you'll typically activate it through a linked Spectrum authentication process. This is critical because many users accidentally create a completely separate Max subscription before properly activating the included version. And honestly, this is one of the most common streaming mistakes in 2026. Now, let's say Alex already pays for Max independently. Later, Alex upgrades to a Spectrum package that includes Max Access. Instead of linking the existing account correctly, Alex accidentally creates another paid subscription during setup. Now there are multiple billing systems, duplicate charges, and account confusion immediately. This happens far more often than people realize. Now in a minute, I'll show you the hidden issue that causes HBO Max activation failures on smart TVs and streaming devices. But first, let's continue the setup process. After confirming eligibility and launching activation through Spectrum, sign into Max carefully using the email you actually want connected long-term. This matters enormously because mismatched emails create major problems later. Now here's where things get interesting again. Streaming subscriptions today are connected through many different billing ecosystems. Your Max account could involve Spectrum, Apple, Google Play, Roku, or direct Warner Bros. Discovery billing. That complexity creates huge confusion for users. Now let's discuss the hidden issue I mentioned earlier. Cached app sessions. This causes a shocking number of activation failures. Imagine John activates Max successfully online. Everything technically works. But when he opens the Max app on his Roku TV, the app still says, "No active subscription." Why? Because the device is still using old cached login information. This is where most people fail once again. They think activation failed completely when the real issue is simply an outdated session. The fastest fix is usually sign out, close the app, restart the streaming device, then sign back in fresh. That simple trick solves many activation problems instantly. Now, let's discuss another hidden problem. Existing App Store subscriptions. This creates huge confusion in 2026. Imagine Jake originally subscribed to Max through Apple billing years ago. Then later, he tries activating a Spectrum-linked Max promotion. If those billing systems overlap incorrectly, duplicate subscriptions may continue quietly in the background. That's why understanding your current billing path matters enormously before activating anything. Now here's where things get interesting. Streaming companies increasingly want users locked into larger entertainment ecosystems. That means internet, TV, mobile apps, streaming subscriptions, and billing systems are becoming more interconnected every year. And honestly, this complexity keeps growing. Now let's answer the practical question viewers really care about. What's the fastest way to get HBO Max working with Spectrum? Simple. Not iTunes. Verify your package first. Activate through the official Spectrum-linked process. Avoid creating duplicate subscriptions. Keep your email addresses organized. And restart your streaming apps after setup completes. That process solves most issues quickly. Now here's another important thing people overlook. Promotional expiration dates. Some Spectrum offers include Max Access temporarily. That means your free HBO Max access may eventually transition into standard paid billing later. This surprises many users because they assume included streaming stays free forever. Always check promotion duration, renewal pricing, and who actually handles billing. That clarity matters enormously. Now here's another mistake users make. Troubleshooting devices before confirming eligibility first. That wastes huge amounts of time. The smarter approach is verify the subscription, activate correctly, then troubleshoot devices afterward only if necessary. That sequence matters. Now here's where things get interesting again. Some users actually spend more money upgrading TV packages just to get free streaming services. That sounds strange, but it happens constantly. If the upgraded Spectrum package costs more than subscribing to Max directly, the bundle may not save money at all. That's an important mindset shift. Now let's discuss another hidden factor. Regional package differences. Two Spectrum customers can receive completely different streaming offers depending on location, timing, or package structure. That's why checking your actual account details matters far more than relying on general advertising claims online. Now, before we finish, let's summarize clearly. How do you get HBO Max free with Spectrum in 2026? First, verify your Spectrum package actually includes Max eligibility. Second, activate the subscription through the official linked process. Third, sign into Max carefully using the correct email. Fourth, restart streaming devices if the app does not update immediately. That's the cleanest approach. Now here's the most important takeaway. Most HBO Max activation problems are not caused by broken apps. They are caused by account confusion, duplicate subscriptions, or unclear billing structures. That's the hidden truth many users never realize. So here's the bottom line. You may be able to get HBO Max through Spectrum in 2026 depending on your package and promotions, but the smartest users verify eligibility first, avoid duplicate billing, and understand exactly how streaming subscriptions are connected before activating anything. That simple approach prevents most problems immediately. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the most confusing streaming bundle you've dealt with recently. And if you want, I can also show you how to activate Disney+, Hulu, and Peacock through Spectrum step by step.